this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoes. And I know the memories are with me, even when you move to a town that is new. Guess I tend to hold on too strong, but you're always home. You're always home to me. Up those gray steel wooden stairs, me and Jess would play pretend of time traveling, company around the table, seat by the windows where I learned piano. And I'm scared things change too quickly. The time tales from mom sing loud in my heart. And I know I'm not alone. You're always home. You're always home to me. So we'll make room for something new. Though I'm not little anymore, I'll always need you. And I know the memories are with me, even when I've grown to a place of my own. Please remember, I'll love you forever. You're always home. You're always home to me. I'm a dog walker in New York City. I take 'em on a stroll along the only green I see. We sleep at the movies and we get a bite to eat. We roll around the subway to the street. I'm a dog walker in LA, baby. We climb up to the Hollywood sign and we cry out to the sea. We send out letters to our friends atop the trees. Their quiet has us writing another tune. Don't know where we're going. We'll keep singing till we do. Real far from here, till we make it back to you. I'm a dog walker in Nashville, Tennessee. We pour these words across a page. I think they're pretty neat to play 'em for the panelists and a screen that counts for me, defining what it means to succeed. singing till we do. Built far from here till we make it back to you. I'm a dog walker in my own little street. I love my piano and my sweet Sonny. And though we have so far to go, so many dreams to meet, I'll sing these songs for you and for me. Oh, for me, for me, for me and for you. We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love. the same way all the time. Nothing changes, all these faces keeping their mind closed. Hours to say, days to give away, finding things to say, and go to a place, a space to dream away, just for one day. At the same time, in a different place, in a different way, in a daydream where we all seem to change our minds. Hours to save, days to give away, finding things to say, and go to a place, a space to dream away, just for one day. It's the same thing in the same way all the time. Didn't think it'd go this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, my reading place, and late night tiptoe.